Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. So here you can see this is the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G smartphone in my hand, and this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, here you can see incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power it off, press the volume up and power key together. Okay, now slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the power and volume down key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release. Okay, now here select language and it will send you in recovery. Here you can see format data, reboot device and power off is available. So here go to format data. So here you can see please enter verification code 1233. Enter it 1233, and you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. You can see wiping, please wait, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.